Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Allied School YouTube channel. This video is for prep class. Subject is maths. After watching this video, students will be able to count the objects and write the numbers, read the number names up to 20, match the numbers with number names. Let's get started our lesson. Dear students, how are you? Fine. First tell me, have you done your homework? Page 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Page 3, 4 and 5. Have you done? Yes, good. Today we will learn about page number 6. Okay. Page number 6, you can see here more than. Read this word more than. Here we will learn about more than. And look at this picture. This is a bunch of flowers. This is a bunch of flowers. फूलों का गुच्छा है ये. How many flowers? Count. 10 flowers. Okay, count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Again count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, there are 10 flowers in this bunch. Okay, there are 10 flowers in this bunch. This is a bunch of 10 flowers. Read this. This bunch has 10 flowers. This bunch has 10 flowers. How many flowers in this bunch? Tell me. 10 flowers. Good. Now the question, count the total number of flowers and write their numbers in the box as shown below. Count the total number of flowers and write their numbers in the box as shown below. Again read. Count the total number of flowers and write their numbers in the box as shown below. Yes, this is a bunch of 10 flowers. Okay, this is a bunch of 10 flowers and this is one flower. One more than 10 flowers. One more than 10 flowers. 10 flowers में एक और ज़्यादा हो तो 10 plus 1. How many flowers now? 10 flowers and one more. You can see here. यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं कि 10 flowers हैं और एक flower यहाँ है. तो 10 and 1 becomes 11. 10 and 1 become 11. Okay. 11. Yes. 1 more than 10 flowers is 11. 1 more than 10 flowers is 11. Okay. Yes. Now you tell me. This is a bunch of 10 flowers. Okay. And here you can see 1, 2 flowers. It means 2 more than 10 flowers. How many? 2 more than 10 flowers is 10, 11, 12. Yes, 12. 2 more than 10 flowers is 12. 2 more than 10 flowers are 12 flowers. Okay, you write here 12. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 10 flowers का bunch है, उसमें और आपने 2 flowers अगर आप मिलाएंगे, ज़्यादा कर देंगे तो आपके पास 12 flowers हो जाएंगे. कितने हो जाएंगे? How many flowers do you have? 12 flowers. Clear? Yes, 12. Now comes to next. Yes, now you have a bunch of 10 flowers and 3 more. 3 more flowers you have. 1, 2, 3. 10, 11, 12, 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. How many flowers do you have now? 13. When 3 more than 10 flowers, it means you have 13 flowers. You write here 13. 10 plus 3. 10 में अगर आप 3 ऐड करेंगे तो 13 हो जाएगा. आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे 10 flowers हैं. 3 more flowers आपके पास है तो 10, 11, 12, 13 हो गए. तो 10 plus 3 is 13. Okay, clear? Now comes to next. Yeah, this is a bunch of 10 flowers. Okay, then how many? One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It means 4 more than 10 flowers become 14 flowers. Okay, 10 plus 4 is 14. Okay, आपने 10 फ्लावर्स थे आपके पास, 4 मोर आपने फ्लावर्स गेट किए, तो 10 एंड 4 कितना हो गया, 14 हो गया, 14 फ्लावर्स. ओके, yes, now 10 flowers again, then how many? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Again 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5 more than 10 flowers is 15. Okay, 5 more than 10 flowers are 15 flowers. Okay, 15 flowers. You can write here 15. 10 plus 5, 15. Yes. Now next. Yes, this is a bunch of 10 flowers again. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, 6 more than 10 flowers are 16 flowers. आपने 10 फ्लावर्स में 6 मोर फ्लावर्स आपके पास आ गए, और ज़्यादा आपके पास 6 फ्लावर्स आ गए, तो नाउ यू हैव 16 फ्लावर्स. कितने होंगे आपके पास? 16 फ्लावर्स. 10 प्लस 6 equals to 16. Clear? This is 15 and this is 16. Yes. 10. ओके, दिस इज अ बंच ऑफ 10 फ्लावर्स. आपको पता है ये 10 फ्लावर्स हैं टोटल, हम काउंट कर चुके हैं, तो नाउ काउंट इसको करना है 10 के बाद. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 7 more than 10 flowers are 17 flowers. Okay, 10 फ्लावर्स में 7 मोर फ्लावर्स होंगे, तो आपके पास टोटल 17 फ्लावर्स होंगे. 10 प्लस 7 equals to 17. Okay, yes, now here next, this is a bunch of 10 flowers. Okay, now count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now you have 18. 8 more than 10 flowers become 18 flowers. Okay, 8 more than 10 flowers become 18 flowers. 10 plus 8, 18. Clear? Yeah, this is a bunch of 10 flowers again. Okay, now count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. It means 9 more than 10 flowers are 19 flowers. जी, जब 10 flowers का bunch था आपके पास, आपने 9 flowers उसमें और more किए, more आपके पास हैं, तो it becomes 19 flowers. Okay, 10 plus 9 equals to 19. Clear? Now the last one. 10 flowers, bunch of 10, it is also a bunch of tens. 10 flowers, 10 more than 10 flowers, it becomes how many? 10 flowers. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, 20. 10 and 10 becomes 20. 10 and 10 become 20. Okay, 10 and 10 become 20. 20 flowers. Okay, 20 flowers. Now comes to next page. Page number 7, slow and steady wins the race. Yes, it's a very famous story about tortoise and yes, tell me, rabbit. Join the dots from 1 to 15 and find out who won the race. Color the picture also. रीड दिस क्वेश्चन. ज्वाइन द डॉट्स, आपको डॉट्स को मिलाना है फ्रॉम 1 to 15, 1 से लेकर 15 तक, एंड फाइंड आउट हु वन द रेस, और ये बताना है कि कौन रेस को जीता. कलर द पिक्चर ऑल्सो, कलर भी करना है पिक्चर को. देखें, ये है आपके पास पिक्चर. ओके, वेयर आर द नंबर्स? First tell me where are the numbers. Okay, here you can see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. They are the numbers. Okay. Again, see, look at all these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. They are the numbers. Now you have to join with your pencil. Okay, take out your pencil, hurry up. See here, 1 join 2, then join 3, then join 4, then join 5, then join 6, then join 7, then 8, then 9, then 10, then 11, okay, then 12, then 13, yeah, then 14, then 16, 15, sorry, 14, after 14, 15. Okay, now what is this? Yeah, this is a tortoise. Okay, and this is a rabbit. Rabbit is sleeping and tortoise is running towards his finishing line, towards finishing line. Yeah, this is finishing line. ये वो लाइन है जहाँ tortoise जीता है जाकर, और ये जो है रैबिट ये मजे से सो रहा है, तो कैसे जीतेगा? आप भी सोएंगे, अगर होमवर्क नहीं करेंगे, बुक्स नहीं खोलेंगे, तो आप भी फिर पीछे रह जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो आपने देखा ये विन कर गया है. ओके, इसी तरह आपने ज्वाइन करना है, फिर देन आप इस पर कलर कर देंगे. आई होप यू विल डू इंशाल्लाह. Now page number 8, matching fun. Match the numbers with their corresponding number names. Yes, numbers को आपने number name से मिलाना है. जैसे 1 है तो ONE 1, आपने number को number name से मिलाना है. Match the numbers with their corresponding numbers names. Look at here. Yes, first we read all these numbers. It's very important. Read all these numerals. 14. Read with me. 14. Now read all these numerals: 14, 11, 17, 19, 15, 20, 18, 13, 12, 16, 10. Again, 14, 11, 17, 19, 15, 20, 18, 13, 12, 16, 10. Now read all these number names. 15. You read 15, 15, 18, 18, 12, 12, 10, 10, 14, 14, 16, 16, 19, 19, 17, 17, 20, 20, 13, 13, 11, 11. Okay, now you have to match. What number is it? Yes, 11. And where is the 11? Find out, hurry up. Where is 11? Yes, this is 11. Now match 11 and 11. Okay, like this. But you use your ruler. Okay, do you have ruler? Yes, good. Match with the help of ruler. Okay, now what number is it? 17. Okay, where is 17? S7, 7. Yes, 17, 17. This is 17. Match. Okay, now 19. Match 19 with 19. Okay, where is 19? 19. This is 19. Match. Hurry up. Okay, now 15. This is 15. First number name 15. Okay, I hope you will do this question inshallah. Now take care, children. I am going to talk to your parents. Guidelines for parents. Make sure that the child counts the flowers and write the numbers at page 6. बच्चे काउंट करें, उनको आप جو 10 فلاورس ہے اس میں، اور جو سنگل میں فلاورس جو پڑھتے جا رہے ہیں ان کا کانسیپٹ دیں، کاؤنٹنگ کروائیں، اور پھر ان سے باکسز کے اندر وہ نمبر لکھوائیں. ٹھیک ہے، کاؤنٹ بچے نے خود کرنا ہے. نمبر 2، آس دا چائلڈ ٹو جوائن دا ڈاٹس پراپرلی ایٹ پیج 7. پھر وہ جو پیج نمبر 7 پہ جو پکچر دی ہوئی ہے اس میں جوائن کرنا ہے بچوں نے ڈاٹس 1 ٹو 15 تک. اس کو جوائن پراپرلی کریں، صحیح طرح سے بچوں سے کروائیں. نمبر 3، میک شیور دیٹ دا چائلڈ ریڈس نمبر نیمز 10 ٹو 20. جی، جتنے بھی نمبر نیمز ہیں وہ 10 سے 20 تک ان کو بچوں کو ریڈنگ کروائیں. ہر ورڈ پہ آپ فنگر رکھ کر ان سے ریڈ کروائیں بار بار، تاکہ ان کی ریڈنگ ڈیولپ ہو. نمبر نیمز کی ریڈنگ امپورٹنٹ ہے، ریڈ کر سکیں گے تو میچ بھی کر سکیں گے، ادروائز نہیں کر سکتے. فارمیشن آف نمبر شوڈ بی کریکٹ وائل رائٹنگ. جب وہ لکھ رہے ہوں نمبرز کو تو ان کے فارمیشن ٹھیک ہونی چاہیے. جزاک اللہ. تھینکس فار واچنگ دس ویڈیو. السلام علیکم.